What's up, everybody? Welcome to my new video. Today, let's see, where did I leave off yesterday? So I was basically talking about how I have this knowledge check at the end of every we look here at the Odin project. Every section, like this one section right here, this whole thing, they have a knowledge check. By far, from what I've learned, this is the biggest one. 18 questions. Some of them have two little bullet points. And it's basically, it's a knowledge check. Basically questions for you to check and if you really understood what they're trying to teach you. As you can see, they're pretty easy. Out of 18, I missed 2, completely missed. And I got 6 iffy. So even if I get them iffy, I still go back and redo them. As in, I'm redoing, you're not getting tested, you know what I'm saying? It's not like you enter, in a Quizlet where you enter and then you get the answer wrong. This is open source. So basically, these links right here, they link out to a bunch of different, for example, they use a lot of this website right here, JavaScript info. They also use this website, mozilla.org. So they link out to a bunch of different, it's a compilation of different tutorials. And they pick out for whatever they're trying to teach you. In this case, they're trying to teach us, right here, they have the objectives, lesson overview. And you have objectives. And then, they have the links. Some links teach you more, extra stuff. And they'll tell you right there, they'll be like, oh, don't worry about learning this or that. Just worry about learning a specific section. And then at the end, they have exercises. I believe these exercises are made by the creators of this website, the Odin project. So yeah. And then there's additional resources. And I usually do those because my memory is not the best. It's getting better though, but I don't know. I'm trying to train my memory. I don't know how you do that, but I'd be Googling it, how to have better memory. But anyways, you just keep, I guess, repetition. I don't know. That's what comes to mind. But yeah, yesterday I left off on I was looking at the or nots, which was number 11, no, number 10. The or not, the 3 logical operators. Oh, what are the comparison operators? I can tell you right off the bat. Never mind. I don't know. Oh. No. Comparison operators is, for example, this is a comparison operator. This one right here. Comparison operators return true or false. So like this right here. For example, this is going to return true. Whoops. Well, that would, but making it more readable, I had a space. But that's going to return true. Those are comparison operators. Also, this is a comparison operator. It's going to return false, but this would return true. That would return true. This would return true as well. But if you use 3 equals, that's not going to return true because they're different data types. All right, so I was doing those. That was the operators. That was 10. Oh, no, that was 11. And then I was also, let's see, so I got most of these right. The next one was 13. What are the falsy values? So I got 0, empty string, null, undefined, and false. That's what I wrote on here, but I haven't checked it. Let me see. What are the falsy values? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 on here. I don't know if it doesn't say right here. Sometimes it'll be what are the 5 falsy values? So, data types. Let's see. What are the fall? So 0, do I have 0? I do have 0. No, undefined. Oh, I missed one. Oh, false isn't 1. False isn't 1. So see, even though I got like some of them, I still like go over them. Because this one's like iffy. Like I got 3 out of 4. So I still go back and like, my goal is not to memorize them like fully, you know, like fully. Because I'm not a computer. But I am going to go back and like, you know, like at least memorize it here right now, you know, to do this. I do need it, bro, because later on you start learning about like more complex things, like, you know, like 100 lines of code, and it's useful. It comes in like handy. So there's that, which I'm gonna, what is this called? Hold on. Conditional branching. I think I have it. Oh yeah, it's right there. And the next one and the last one is a switch. Also iffy, because I know this part. What's the syntax for switch? So pretty much, I know it's this right here. Let's go ahead and, actually I'll delete all of it. I wanted to keep the console log, but okay. Alright, so I was gonna do it in pseudocode. Pseudocode is basically like just words, not actual code, from my understanding. So I was gonna do switch. No, I know there's something in there. I don't know what it's called. And then what else did I put? Switch. I put case. I know there's a case. And then I don't know what it's called. Something goes in here. Not in parentheses. Let's just put that. Something goes in there. I don't know what it's called though. And then we have code. It's run code. Run code. And then you have a break. We don't have to have a break, but it's really, really recommended. I'm not doing this. You don't need it, but if you want to. And then last but not least, default. You can have as many cases as you want, and then you have one default. I don't know if you could have multiple, but as far as I know, the default is if all become false, then you run whatever piece of code you want to run. And you're gonna, I don't think you, I guess you do need a break. I put break on there, I don't know if you do, but I don't think you have to break at the end because you're already at the end. Yes, that's it. Out of the 18, that was 16. Switch statement. Yeah, so the reason I have it iffy, because this pseudocode, so I don't know what this is called. I wanted to say this was a condition, but it's not. It's not a conditional. See that already, like not knowing, like I'm not putting that on there. So thank you guys for watching. Peace out.